friends, can you believe the holiday season is right around the corner? No matter what you celebrate, this time of year can be a bit hectic. This video is sponsored by Office Depot OfficeMax, and since you guys loved what I did with the canvas last time, I thought I would spread a little extra holiday cheer and bring you all along with me for a behind the scenes as I create the ultimate stationery lovers gift pack, complete with a new custom canvas, and walk you through how I set up a personal manifesto to help me stay grounded and focused during even the busiest of times. We all lead busy, full lives. Whether you're juggling a side hustle, family life, or a traditional 9-to-5, I think we can all agree that once the holidays roll around, it feels like we are a little short on time. It's important to use time-saving services to make the most of your day. Office Depot OfficeMax offers useful tools for a small business owner and busy mama like me, so I can feel more at ease instead of overwhelmed. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you are obsessed with stationery and office supplies like I am. Because I like to infuse fun and creativity into my everyday, even while I'm working in the studio on my next project, it's fun to explore the places I already need to go for work. When you're holiday shopping, Office Depot might not be the first place that comes to mind, but for us planners, because we love stationery, stamps, pens, and more, it actually turns out to be a pretty wonderful spot to build a thoughtful, personalized gift, and you'll save time while doing it. As someone who prides myself on thoughtful gifting, it's super important to give things that are beautiful and meaningful. I basically went shopping for the supplies I would want in my studio/office, and ended up choosing some colorful items to not only keep you organized, but also inspired. In addition to the usual crafty projects, podcast recordings, and video editing, I've been working on a very exciting special project. It's something you all have been asking for, and I've hinted at a few times. When 2019 began, one of my goals was to make the workshops I teach more accessible to everyone, especially for those who can't make it to my in-person talks and events. Part of that was launching my podcast, and the other part of that is offering something that can help you feel like you're right here in the studio with me, happily crafting away. I wanted it to be something that anyone can take from anywhere in the world, and finally that idea is coming to fruition. I'm so excited to announce my new online class, Your Best Year Yet. 2020 is right around the corner, and this class is designed to help you make it wonderful. As the end of this year and decade approaches, these last few months of 2019 are a great time to reflect on what's worked and what you may need to let go of. Looking forward to the new year, consider what's next for you. What goals, strategies, and fresh ideas are you going to undertake? The class covers these questions and more through colorful and crafty methods of exploration, journaling, and goal setting in traveler's notebooks. A new year brings a new sense of excitement for what's to come. How can you invite more of what you want into your life? One of the ways I stay aligned with my goals is to write down a manifesto of sorts. I revisited an old favorite from years ago and gave it a 2020 twist. Think about the things that matter most to you and how you want to help yourself stay inspired. Manifestos are one of the best ways I've found to set intentions and stay focused on what truly matters. The beauty of this exercise goes beyond the satisfaction of making a hand-lettered poster. Today, I'll use some of the goodies from my Stationery Lovers gift pack to draft up something colorful, meaningful, and inspiring to help sustain me through this season. If you're not sure what to write down, don't worry. Crafting a manifesto takes real thought and time. You may need to come up with little bits here and there, little by little. Brainstorming using colorful supplies can spark bright ideas and set you on the right track. You can even write down an inspiring quote onto a cling note like this one and have it displayed as a simple visual reminder. After deciding which words and phrases to keep, I like to letter it in an artsy fashion, which sometimes involves getting paint supplies out, or if you're not feeling that messy, you can simply work on a tablet. I try to display my colorful creation someplace where I can see it and be reminded of the path I've set out for myself and the things that I value. Seeing it in the studio wall is a source of encouragement and inspiration for me as I go about my daily routines. Okay, friends, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed learning how to create your own manifesto. You could even memorialize it onto a canvas like I did. Now that it's completely assembled, I would love to give you all the chance to enter to win this ultimate Stationery Lovers gift pack. Just so you know, this giveaway is in no way sponsored by Office Depot OfficeMax. This is just a way of saying thanks to all of you who have been following along on this creative journey. Be sure to read all the giveaway instructions in the description box. Also, I want to hear from you. What kinds of gifts will you be giving this holiday season? What are your favorite time-saving hacks during such a hectic time? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to keep those creative juices flowing.